I'm Benu Ganguly. Actually, I was working with Indian Post and Telegraphs Department, and I just retired. I was interested in this cultural activities and all, mostly in theatre. Theatre in all the section of theatre. So I was more sought out by people as a producer, production controller and all. So it so happened this Madhya Pradesh Kala Parishad, the cultural government organization, they announced that they will have a workshop for theatre, and Mr. B.V. Karant, he will be here to direct all these plays. There were 3 plays. So we were all interviewed and all. I don't know, lastly when I said I know this, I know that, I know that, Karant said, all right, you be my production manager and look after everything. Okay, I'll do. So within few days he was very much impressed, and he started calling me at home where he was staying and asking me, I want this, I want this, do you understand this, do you understand that? So like that we could come very closer. This was in 70s. In 70s, this was done by the Kala Parishad. And all the artists from Bhopal, artists say or non-artists, everybody who were interested in theatre, they came. They were interviewed, and specifically for first phase, we selected for Ras Gandharva. That was the main full-length play. In that I didn't do any role, just production controller. By and by I could learn about him and the way he was doing, and every day we were improving, and then songs were introduced and everything. And so many things were going together, and from say 3:30 it used to start, and then it used to go for 9:30, 10, and so on. So some sections they were separately taken for theatre, little dance movements and all these things. This is how things started. It was a wonderful thing, and he never used to make anybody do like him. He is doing ऐसा oh yeah, ठीक है, आप ऐसा करिए. There was, because Hindi was not very good with him, but he made us like that. So we started doing it. It was fine, it's coming up. Very encouraging person, and it's wonderful. I have no words to say. As a director, and then when we didn't know much about Karant at that time. When he knew, then we thought, what we are doing, we are getting one of the best directors of the world. What of India? This is how we had the impression about him. And he was so friendly, as if we were friends for a long time. He was never bossing or anything. It's a very nice man. Never scolded, nothing. Quietly, he used to enjoy. And he was a rhythmic man. Yes, everything he's saying, he has a rhythm, has a song. That was the speciality of him. Like flowing like a river. Flowing like a river. Small waves, no disturb, nothing. At that time there was, Bharat Bhavan was just sensed there should be Bharat Bhavan. And this person, when he came, saw so many boys and girls interested in theatre. He said, you must have a repertory. You must have a theatre group, a organization. And then Bharat Bhavan was announced. It was just making, even the building was coming up. Sometime in the evening we used to go and see where is the building, where is the situation. He says, it's wonderful. And like that, actually, he has more say there in Bharat Bhavan. The way it was coming up. And it was coming up together. And most important, the Secretary of Culture, Mr. Ashok Bajpai, he was very much interested and he has a lot of energy in it. And with this gentleman, Karanji, everything went off very fine. ऐसा कि नखून में लगा हुआ है, नखोदरपन बोलते हैं ना, उस तरह का, things went off fine. Like that, this production was very successful, and then he had small 3 plays. On and on it was happening. As everything went off, he was about to go. At the time, Bharat Bhavan has nothing. But this repertory was there, and it was under me. Under me means I used to go with the troupe in Indore and other places, and used to see the directorial part of it and management part of it. So it was just going on. Thereafter, I requested him to please, can you work for me? I had my organization, Rang Shivir. That was a very, most of the boys, they were from Rang Shivir. You must be knowing Mr. Rajiv Verma, actor. He was in my group. Like that, many people, they were in my group. The wonderful part of that, as we have progressed in rehearsals and all, the songs and everything was on. And I was amazed to see Mr. Karand that he literally danced and showed us the steps, the steps and everything, and his singing so fluently and freely. He was very young at the time also. So that attitude was different. He had, agility was more. Because I have seen him for a long period, no? So I really was, he made an atmosphere in Bhopal among the young boys and girls who were interested in theatre. That what is theatre, how it should be acted and enacted and everything. So really, he made everything, there was no other top than the theatre. He made such an atmosphere. So it prompted even the minister to finally have Bharat Bhavan. I can say without hesitation that it was he who made it more obvious that there should be Bharat Bhavan, there should be a cultural center in Madhya Pradesh. And it had happened. A few of us, you can say me, I was more both the sides in profession and also this also. So I earned also in theatre. That was a Bengali part, Bengali theatre. He is amazing. He gets mixed up with the, blends with the students, blends with the newcomer, the senior, everybody. The way he deals, no, we don't feel any difference. That was his characteristic. I don't know how many people have understood him properly, but he was an amazing man that we have lost. That part I was saying, no, that he was dancing and doing with us everything, and the actors, they were also with him, singing. It's impromptu. I've seen many directors, but not a person like him. He was little special and much special. That's why this town could have such a big Rangmandal and everything. And at that time, the workers, one Mr. Huda, all the time connecting wire, because every day there is show, every day there is some change, every moment there is some change. We couldn't dare to do any argument with him, because what he used to say is not law, I would say. It is that should happen, and that should be done. And we have seen times again that really, whatever he said, it was really a judgment, very grey judgment. This was a man, who actually a theatre personality, theatre in his blood. He works as theatre. It's nothing than any theatre. Badal Sarkar, I have worked as a student in his workshop at Delhi. It's different. There, what do you call it, a stereotype है. काफी stereotypes देखे. कोई भी चीज में ऐसा वाइस करो, वैसा ही करो, वैसा करो. He has nothing. He is taking your what potential you have. He has taken that is individually attending everybody, and we couldn't understand also that he is individually attending, but that he is doing. But I could watch all the time. Habib Tanvir is a different thing. In a sense, he goes with a part of this Madhya Pradesh. At that time it was Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and all. So they have a different type of movements, different type of what do you call, delivering dialogues and all, because it was their language, those what you call village language. So, and their activities are different. Their postures are different. So he has not done much. I don't say he's not a big man, very big man, but he has taken what they have, and that he has developed with specific who were doing the village theatre, village Nautanki. He has taken them, and they have their own way. So that is the difference. And we were raw here. He took all raw boys, the college going, school going boys, was never heard about theatre. खाली पिक्चर देखते हैं, वो नहीं है. पर इनका थोड़ा सा अलग है. मैंने स्पेशली आप मेरे को कारण के बारे में बोल रहे, but I must say that he was really different. I have worked with even his junior M.K. Raina. Their stereotype hard track marks were shouting and all these things. But I have never heard him. He is a very composed man. He knows what he is going to do. That you can see. I was quite senior in that group. Now I am at 80. So I could understand those things because I have been doing theatre for a long time in Bengali theatre. I will say one thing. He did my production. It was Vijay Tendulkar's Panchi Aise Aate Hai. So I asked him. So he said, I'll come in this month and I'll talk to you. So he came. At the time I had to arrange the stay and all. So nearby the house was empty, where I furnished it and asked him to stay. We were there. Then he had his Karnataka way of breakfast and all. I said, let's go to Ravindra Bhavan, see the hall. Although he has seen many times. Then he went there and then said, Benu, do you want this as a comedy or a serious. I said, sir, comedy will be fine. People will like it and enjoy it. Then he says, okay, it will be comedy. तो आप रिहर्सल स्टार्ट कर दो, रीडिंग स्टार्ट कर दो, मैं 2 दिन में आता हूँ. ठीक है. I was amazed. I have never seen a director asking me like this कि ये कॉमेडी करे या ट्रेजेडी करे. ऐसा तो कभी नहीं है. Because he has such a potency. He can change a thing. He made everything stylized, everything different. Well, no, this tree will be stylized like this. Where से आप बनाइए, ऐसा करिए. And during the rehearsal also, it was so fine, so smoothly, and we selected the actors and all. And it happened wonderful. That is where I was amazed, and I could understand that he is a man who is different, much different.